Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, try this problem. How do you do it?
So the common difference is in AP.
Yeah.
So we find the sum of common difference.
What you need is sum of the series. And S is also equal to 3 plus 7 plus 13. Right? And then you can subtract these two, right?
Yeah.
So 0 equal to 7 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 plus. Now what do? 0 equal sum of positive quantities. So how can this be true?
Sir, what?
Left hand side is 0, no?
Yeah.
And right hand side is all positive numbers and they are sum of it. So how can this be true? Is there anything wrong here? What?
It can't be true.
The thing is you have not written it properly. So here it will end at nth term, right? Tn. And nth term, below nth term, there will be Tn minus 1. And then there will be nth term here. Okay.
Yeah.
So here minus, it will come minus Tn. Got it?
Yeah.
How many terms are here?
N minus 1.
N minus 1. Okay. So from this you get Tn as 3 plus, what is sum of n minus 1 terms? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So that is n minus 2 into d. D is how much? 2. Okay. So this you will get n minus 1 into 4 and then n minus 2, right? So it is n plus 2. Is it correct?
Yeah.
So from there you get the expression for Tn. Tn should be n square. Some mistake is there. I have a 3 here, no? Right. So n square and then minus, okay. So this will become n square plus n minus 2, so plus 1. So you can check that whether this is true. Put n equal to 1, you get 3, right? And n equal to 2, 4 plus 7. N equal to 3, 9 plus 2, 11. N equal to 3 is 9 plus 2, 11. What is going wrong? Sorry, n equal to 3, 9. 9 plus 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 is 13. So 16 plus 4, 20. So this is correct. So from this, how will you find the sum now? This is simple, right? So S is now sigma Tn. Summation over n. So that is summation of n square plus summation of n plus summation of 1. Summation of n square, what is it? Summation of n is what? N into
N by 2 plus minus 1.
so this is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. These standard results you have to remember. And what is summation of 1? It is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 n times.
1, yeah.
So it is n. Okay. Now if you simplify all these things, you will get the answer.
Yeah.
So the important catch is this one. It's sum of n terms. Okay. So 2n and tn minus 1 will come below this one, and there will be extra this tn. That will come here as minus tn. You take it on the other side, you get the expression for tn, and then you do the summation. Try this one. Is there a pattern?
Yeah.
Okay. Getting it?
Yes, sir.
What is this thing? Is it an AP?
No.
What is it?
GP.
Okay. So GP, and how many terms are there?
N terms.
It's from here to here, right?
Yeah.
How many terms?
N minus 1.
That's very important. Otherwise you'll get the wrong answer. N minus 1 terms. So what is, you not remember the formula? A into R raised to the power n. Okay. So it's n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. A is 3 and R is 2 minus 1 by 1. Okay. So from this you get Tn as into. Now how will you find the sum? Sum is sigma Tn, that is 3 times sigma 2 raised to the power n minus 1 minus 2 sigma 1. How do you find this thing? This summation n equal to 1 to n equal to n. Okay, so this is 3 times n equal to 1 is 2 raised to the power 0, is 2 raised to the power 1, so on up to 2 raised to the power n minus 1. So how many terms are there? Sigma 1 is n. How many terms are here?
N minus 1.
No, starting from 0, right?
So N.
So n terms are there. So the sum is a into r raised to the power n. R is how much? 2 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1 minus 2. If you simplify this, you'll get the answer.
Okay.
What about this one? Actually, if you subtract 10 and 24, the next time you will get a pattern, not the first time. Getting it? If you take 12, 36, 80, not that one. So this is the first one. 2, 12, 36, 80, 150. If you take these two, difference is 10. These two it is Well, these two is 36. These two is sorry, 10, 24. Like, now if you take the difference here, it will be 14. This difference is 20, and this difference is 80 and 150 is 70, right? So 70 minus 44 is 6. Now this is becoming an AP. Okay, getting the idea? Yes. So in the second step, you are getting an AP. Okay. So from here you get Tn minus 2 equal to this n minus 10 plus 24 plus 44 plus so on. This is what n minus 1 terms. So this is also equal to 10 plus 24 plus 44, so on. Okay. Now we subtract these two. You get 0. Equal to 10 plus 14 plus 20 plus 26. This will be n minus 2 terms. Okay. And this will be minus. See, this T is T of this series. That is different from this, the first series. So this, the general term of this series is Tn. The general term of this series, let me call it T prime n. So this is actually T prime. And this series has got n minus 1 terms. Is it clear? Your mic is off.
Yes, sir.
So in this case, after the second difference, you're getting AP. Okay. So the first given series, the general term is Tn. And after the first difference, this and again a series, I'll call it general term as T prime. Again, okay, the nth term. After taking the second difference, so this here will be T prime n minus 1. Okay. So now we know what is T prime n minus 1. Okay, so if you simplify this one, I'll just give the answer. From this, you will get T prime n minus 1 equal to 3n square minus n. You just have to use the sum of AP here. N minus 2 by 2 plus 2a plus n minus 3 into d. Okay, and you put and you simplify, you'll get this one. Okay, so now T prime n is how is it related to Tn? It is Tn minus 1. Is that clear? If you want to get the first term of this series, I have to subtract T2 minus T1 of the previous series. So similarly, n minus 1 term of the prime series, I have to subtract Tn and Tn minus 1. Second term, I have to subtract 3 and 1. So n minus 1 term, I have to subtract n and n minus 1 of the previous series. Okay. Right. I'll leave it to you to figure out. Try this one. If a sum of an infinite geometric series is a finite number, what does that mean? When you add infinite numbers, you'll get infinity, right? But here it's a finite number. Sum of infinite geometric series is a finite number. So what does that mean?
It is going less.
The common ratio is less than 1.
Yeah.
So in that case, the sum of infinite terms is a divided by 1 minus r. S infinity, sum of infinite term is a divided by 1 minus r when r is less than 1. When r is a fraction.
Yeah.
Okay, so you have to use that one. So S infinity is 4 equal to a divided by 1 minus r. And the second term is 3 by 4. So what does that mean?
A1 by 8 is equal to R.
That means a into r equal to, second term is a into r, first term is a. So this is equal to 3 by 4. So now you have two equations in two unknowns. You can solve them. You can do 2 by 1.
R is equal to 3 by 4A. And you just substitute.
Yeah, and then from that you can find r. So this will give r as and this will get a as 1 or 3. So when r is 1 by 4, a is 3. And when a is 1, r is 3 by 4. Okay, one of the options is matching. A is 3 and r is 1 by 4. Is it clear? Your mic is off.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this one. I can call a plus b as a and c plus d as capital B. And m is a into b. So it's a into b is what? So on one side we have a plus b and then we have a into b. And we have to get some inequality, right? So what do you do? Can you use this one? You can use this inequality, am greater than or equal to gm. Okay, and what are the numbers you take for the finding the mean? If m is the numbers are capital A and capital B.
Sir, answer is A.
Yes. But when you take a square, we'll get this one, right? M1 is greater than or equal to M square. Okay, so M will lie between -1 and +1. Okay. From that, how did you get to 0 to 1?
Sir, I just put some random values and got the answer.
Okay. But when
It was never coming greater than 2.
yeah, but you have to do it properly. Right? Because these are all old questions. Nowadays, this thing will not happen. Okay. But the way of solving
Okay.
will be useful. Basically, you have to find the
Yeah.
range for M, right? And M is appearing as a geometric mean of two numbers. An arithmetic mean is given. Okay. So if you use this thing, you'll get M squared as 1. So it will, and A, B, C, D are positive numbers, positive real numbers. So in that case,
Yeah.
M has to be positive. So this negative part will not come, so M will vary from 0 to 1. One. This is a little bit difficult. We'll come back to this later. Try this one. This is simpler. These two are equal, right?
Sir, 11. 11 is the answer.
Yeah. This first two in terms of this series. Okay. So that
Yes,
is
sir, it
this
was
one.
easy question.
And in
We've
terms
done
of
this question in 10th also.
this one. So these are the four numbers, right? So if you want to check whether here in GP you will take the ratio of these two. Notice D by C. The ratio of these two is C by B, and the ratio of these two is B by A. This is to check whether they are in GP. Okay. D by C is these two, and then C by B is these two, and B by A is these two. Since they are in arithmetic progression, the ratio will not be same. Okay. So this is not true. Okay. Suppose you want to check whether they are in AP, I will take the difference. The difference is AP into D minus C, AB into C minus B, CD into D minus C. So D minus C, common difference, C minus B, common difference, B minus A, common difference. But AB, AD, CD, they are not same. AB, AD, BC, they are not same. Okay, so this is not in AP also. Okay, if AP is all these three things should be same. These three quantities should be same. Okay, D minus C and C minus D are same because this is the D of this AP. Okay, after that you have to compare AD and BC, so you have to compare B and D. B and D are not same. Okay, so it's not an AP. So you now have to check whether they are an AP, HP. So to check whether they are in HP, you have to check that the reciprocals are in AP. So the reciprocals, if you take the difference, will be 1 by AB, 1 by D, minus 1 by C, 1 by AC, AP, 1 by C minus 1 by D, and this is 1 by CD into 1 by D minus 1 by. So this thing should be in AP. Taking the reciprocals, okay, and this thing is this will become C minus D divided by ABCD. This thing is B minus C divided by ABCD, and this is A minus C divided by ABCD. So denominator is in ABCD, 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 and numerator is minus D, minus D, minus D. Okay, so this is an AP. This one is an AP, so this one is an HP. The answer is D. Okay. See, this is this difference is reciprocal of the 1 by ABC divided by minus 1 by ABD. These two, I will take the reciprocals and take the difference. Because I have to check whether this is in HP. So I have to check whether the reciprocals of these terms are in AP. So this reciprocal is 1 by ABC, this is 1 by ABD. So these two, if it are, should be in AP, then the difference should be something. Similarly, the difference between these two, the difference of the reciprocals of this is this one. And similarly, the difference between the reciprocals of these two is this one. Okay, so here C minus D divided by ABCD. C minus D is minus D of this first AP. Similarly, here B minus C, again minus D, A minus B, again minus D, and the denominator is same. So all these three differences are same. So the last, this one is an AP, so this is an HP. Got it? You have to do it carefully. This one.
So that is sum of three terms of AP.
No,
3 by
ABC
2.
and AP and A square B square are in GP. And then A plus B plus C is 3 by 2. And A is less than B less than C. The value of A, you have to find the value of A. So ABC and AP, right? So you can write 2B equal to.
Sir, A plus B plus C equal to 2A plus minus plus 2D.
What is the answer? I have written 3 by 2, no? Okay. D is not known. Okay. ABC and AP means 2B equal to A plus C, right? Is that right? This is what this means, right? And this thing means B square by E square equal to C square by B square. Right? And this, is it clear?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Okay. And A plus C I can write as 3 by 2 minus B.
Yeah.
So 3b, b is half. So from here I'll get b by a as plus or minus c by b. One by four is plus or minus ac. B is half. So from this I'll get a plus c as 1. This plus or minus a into c is 1 minus a. From this is quadratic in A. So this I'll get E as half and then half plus or minus 1 by root 2. See, I can get two quadratic equations, one using the plus sign, one using the minus sign. Okay, so one quadratic equation will give one set of A. This is half, and it's actually the double root half comma half. And the second quadratic equation will be half plus or minus root 2. So one option is matching. B. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Once B is half, it means that A plus C is 1. And this is, so B is known. And then, so I can write C as 1 minus A, and plus or minus sign is there. So using one sign, I'll get one quadratic equation that have double root, half comma half. And second quadratic equation have roots like half plus or minus 1 by root. So one of the values is matching.
Yeah.
This one. So basically, you have to show two inequalities. One is this one, another one is this one. Okay. So the first one is G1, G2 divided by H1, H2 equal to A1 plus A2 divided by H1 plus H2. So this is what we have to show. So this I can rewrite as G1, G2 divided by A1 plus A2. This I have to relate it to H1, H2 divided by H1 plus H2. Okay, and this I can rewrite as 1 divided by 1 by H2 plus 1 by H1. Always it's better to write reciprocal of harmonic progression because that will be in AP. So 1 by H1 and 1 by H2 are in AP because H1 and H2 are in HP. Is it clear? So these two have to relate and have to show that they are equal. Steps are clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now what is G1, G2? G1 is let the common ratio of the GPP R. So G1 is AR and G2 is AR square, right? And similarly, A1 is A plus D A plus 2D
No.
1 by H1 is 1 by A plus P is the difference, common difference of this one, reciprocals of this one. These two reciprocals will be a common difference, right? So that is capital D. And H2 will be 1 by A plus 2D. Okay. One A will cancel.
हाँ तो मैं कहती हूँ ये चीज आप मेंशन करो ये जाएगा तो थोड़ा सा इनको मेंशन करेगा और मैं इनको ये समझ नहीं आता कि जैसे आपको मैं मीडिया और उसके पेरेंट्स तो हमारा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू वी इज पेरेंट ऑफ एवरीथिंग तो ये लोग हमारा पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्यों नहीं लेते
So you wanted to cancel. So this I can write as A into AR cube, right? What is AR cube? This is AR. This is AR square. This is AR cube. This step is clear.
Hello.
Yeah. This step
Yes,
is clear.
sir. Yeah.
This step is clear, no? And now we can write as A into AR cube, right? The numerator. And AR cube is
Yeah.
because G1 is A into R, G2 is AR square, and then B is AR cube. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. So A into AR cube, so I'll write A into B. Similarly, denominator A plus 3D, right? So this is A plus D, this is A plus 2D, and this is A plus 3D. So it is A plus B. Right? So this you have to compare with. And capital D is 1 by B minus 1 by A divided by 3. Because there are 3 steps, no? This is first step, second step, third step. So if I take 1 by A, add 3 D's, I should get B. Okay, so the whole thing is 3 D's. So the whole difference is 1 by B minus 1 by A. So that divided by 3 will give me the capital D. Okay, so from this, I can write this as 1 by A, and then 1 by A plus 3D is 1 by B. Is it clear? 1 by A written like this, and then 1 by A plus 3D is 1 by B. Like similarly, we have A1 is A plus D, A2 is A plus 2D, and A plus 3D is B. Similarly, 1 by A, 1 by H1, 1 by H2, and 1 by B will be in AB. With the common difference is capital D. So 1 by A plus 1D, 2D, 3D will be 1 by B. Is it clear?
Yeah.
1 by A drop like this, and another 1 by A plus 3D is 1 by B. And these two are
Okay,
equal,
sir.
right? These two are equal. So
Okay.
the first thing is proved. Now we do the second one. So A1 plus A2 divided by H1 plus H2.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
So this is proved, no? This equality is proved. Okay. Is it clear?
Yeah, it's true. Yeah.
So now you have to show this one. Okay. This is same as G1, G2. Your H1, H2, right?
Mm.
And G1, G2 is A into B. And then 1 by H1 into 1 by H2 is 1 by A plus D, capital D, into 1 by A plus 2 capital D. Okay, this will become, and D, I have to use this one. Okay, I'll tell you next time.
Okay, sir. Bye, sir.
Okay.